Okay, today is December 1st, 2012, and here we are in Khanij in Coolorodo, and I have Mr. Akhtar from Pakistan. He's a chemical engineer who's worked in Kuwait and Bahrain and all over and educated in France, and I'm demonstrating to him a Coolorodo air conditioner. This air conditioner is basically a 5-ton air conditioner, and the only moving part that it has is this fan. Okay, it is a heat and mass exchanger. There is this water that comes into this. There is a filter, and from this we get the water into this air conditioner. And if you bring the camera over here, Mr. Chaudhary, this is a heat and mass exchanger. There are two sections. There are two sections in this, which is a heat and mass exchanger, and from here what we do is that the hot air comes out and the cool dry air goes in. This air conditioner takes only about 600 watts to run 5 tons. That air conditioner, which is a small air conditioner which is 3 tons, takes 3000 watts. A 5-ton takes 5000 watts. This takes only 500 watts, 1/10. So you can imagine that the electricity that you are going to save is 90%. So you will save 4.5 kilowatts per hour. In countries where you are running diesel generators, or Pakistan, or anywhere in the world, the air conditioners take 60% of the electricity. If we can save 90% of that electricity, then doctor, you can imagine that countries like India, Pakistan, places where there is no electricity, and this has been running here. Let us go inside, I'll show you that this has been running now for nearly 2 months non-stop. And in this 2 months that we are here, this is a complete warehouse, whole warehouse. And this, no, let the light come. This is where the cool air is coming. The temperature is 67.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is about 22 degrees centigrade. Now this whole room from here to there, this is about, how many meters do you think this would be? This would be about 12 to 15 meters and 10 meters wide. This whole room with this Coolorodo air conditioner using 1/10 the electricity, less than the lighting load, is keeping this room cool. So you can imagine that we are going to put solar on this, 2 solar panels. With 2 solar panels we will run this. So if in the tent, in the desert, where there are animals, camels, goats, cows, we put this, and the temperature, whatever, we can control the temperature with the thermostat, and this room is cool. So do you have any questions, doctor?
Yeah, of course. What I was thinking was that it can be used for this cattle farming. It can be used for the chickens and all these farms.
Yes, poultry farm, cattle farm, dairy farm, humans.
I hope it doesn't cost much, but
no. This,
not electricity point of view,
see, the thing is that this unit pays off for itself in 1.5 years. The saving in electricity, what you give to DIVA, SIVA, WAPDA, KSC, in 1.5 years, that amount, it pays off. Then it is free. If I put a solar panel, if I put solar on this, there is no electricity charge.
And but solar power you at
500 watts. So if I put 2 solar panels, 250 watt, it will do the job. So if here in Dubai, if we have buildings which are running, which are like elevators and common area and all of that, we put 4 of these units, and the electricity bill from say 50,000 to 100,000 dirhams would go down to 10,000 dirhams.
Yeah.
So this is what it is all about. This is alternative energy, greenhouse gas emission control, less carbon burning, less headache. Now this is running, and
This water I've seen, this water storage, I mean it is on the almost lower level.
there is a pump.
But that means you have got the pump.
Yes,
no?
we have the pump.
Ah.
Okay. So now the thing is that
Or in other words, if you put it on a little bit on higher
Yeah,
level,
it
you can
depends.
control it without
Yes.
dripping, something
Yes.
like that.
So here everything is automatic. No man, nothing. It is controlled by the thermostat and it is running. And this room is cool. Okay, now that I have opened the door, you can hear that the speed of the fan is increasing because the temperature has gone up. So it is trying to compensate that. And I've left this door open so that there is light. So that when we are making this video, then we have light.
Sure.
Now the beauty of this is, it is very simple. That I put here 2 solar panels on this roof,
You have already.
and I can connect this, and this is running. And there is nothing more, nothing
So
less.
it's not being run on electricity, it is on solar energy.
No. Right now, the owner of this place wanted to make sure that this will run. Okay, so now it has nearly 2 months that it has been running, or 1.5 months, right? Now, after he's completely satisfied, then I am going to put in the solar panels. Okay, so that he can understand, yes, the air conditioner was running on DY and CY and whatever. Now I'm going to convert that into solar. Thank you very much, doctor. It's a pleasure.
It's pleasure knowing all this, you know. It's a great contribution, I would say. Especially to country like ours.